Hi, potential buyer. We present to you a newly developed area that is just beside the Aburi Mountains, Ayimensah. As you could see, construction work is ongoing, and these are beautiful two-bedroom houses. It comes with one big master bedroom and another room. All the rooms are en suite with bed, washroom, and toilet. And then also you have your kitchen as well as your parlor or your living area. It comes with a beautiful space that has been tiled neatly for parking and for the kids. If you have kids and you are a family man, you could equally make very good use of this space. The good news is that this property is two bed but expandable. We have enough space at the back to be able to accommodate a one bedroom self-contained. Kindly follow me as we go to the back. It is selling fast, and these other ones have already been bought. We have just few left. This is the back door that leads to the kitchen. And as we said earlier on, it's a townhouse and you have enough space to be able to expand this area into a 3-bed. It's actually going for 70,000 USD, and as soon as payment is made, I believe you can just come with your bag and luggage and all your family stuff to just come and settle in Ghana. If you are planning to settle, please make time to pass by. This one is gone. It's already been bought, and as you can see, it's being prepared for a move-in. And the environment, I would say it's fantastic. The air quality here is superb. It's a newly developing area. As you could see, there are a lot of projects around. And so hardly would you say you are actually outside of town. It's just beside the toll booth, less than 2 minutes drive and about 15 minutes walk. You would be able to get here. It has other townhouses that is being developed in this area, and we would really highly recommend to a small family, any young family, any young gentleman or lady who is looking to settle or just acquire property for investment purposes, to be able to let it out and be able to make something in Ghana. Great, so we are now going inside to find out exactly what you potentially be looking at. And this is the hall. It's getting finished as we speak. The roofing is POP, has inbuilt LED lights, and this is the kitchen area. And then the door that leads to the backyard. As we said earlier on in the first presentation, the backyard is expandable to an extra bed. This is one bed with its washroom and toilet. As you could see, it's still under construction and to be done within less than a week or two upon payment. Let me kindly walk you to the master bed. It's bigger compared to the other bed, where you could have your closet here. And this is the washroom that comes with the master bed. It has its own jacuzzi. just wonderful. So as we speak now, there are about 12 units and 6 are gone. It is under construction, and so it will be a great time to actually invest now. And with the finishing, the good thing is that should you make your interest known concretely now, what will be the case is that it can be catered to suit exactly how you would want it to be done. Thank you so much for watching, and we wish to hear from you.